In today's video, we're unfortunately going to be doing some trespassing. Well, good morning, guys. Today is an adventure that I've wanted to do for some time now. We're going to be photographing the old Coast Guard station here in Cleveland, Ohio. It is an awesome building. I've just been doing some research on the building itself here at my computer. So going over just a little bit of my process of how I photograph a location. I just do this little bit of background research. I pull up some Google Maps and get an idea, and I like to make a photo shoot list, and it's just a general idea of the shots that I want to take, and then I'm going to take these notes that I handwrite on here, and then I kind of put them into Apple Notes so that I have them on my cell phone here when I go out to actually shoot the photographs. So I've already done kind of the legwork here. I'm excited to get out there. It is a cold day with some snow here in Cleveland, so I'm gonna go change because I am not even close to dressed accordingly, and we're gonna get out there and get after it. Let's go. All right, so now we are back here to what I did not know is a closed area to get to the old Coast Guard station. Apparently now is the year, of course, they decided that they want to work on it. So we're gonna hit this trail here and hope that it leads us to some kind of access point. It's a cold morning here in Cleveland. Feels like 10 degrees according to the wind chill, but I think it's somewhere in the 20s. A lot of snow coming down, but nothing too crazy. There's a cool little path here that we're gonna take. All right, this seems like a good enough path to kind of bypass everything. And yeah, we're headed right for the river here. We have this giant Sam Loud ship. Nobody's working today. I don't think it'll be a problem. We've got our Sony A7C II, and again, plethora of birds coming right at us. All right, we survived the birds, and wow, it is blistering cold out here with this wind, and it's brutal, just coming right out of the northwest, but here we are, right at the old Coast Guard station. Let's get some photos of this thing. Always wanted to do this, and now we have the A7C II. It's gonna be, we're gonna get some pretty awesome shots. Whew. All right. The snow is coming down, so we'll definitely kind of see if we gotta get our, I kind of want to get some snow frozen, but it's coming down so fast that I don't know if I have the shutter speed to really capture it. All right, at least this building's kind of saving us a little bit from the wind. This is kind of a unique building. It's got like a 60s, kind of 70s roundness to it. For some reason, I've always loved that garage door they have here. It just seems like totally out of place to me. I think that's pretty awesome. And then this, if you've seen my channel before, this here is in one of my videos with the Sony ZV-1F, and I love this because it's just kind of like a lookout into the lake I gotta at least try to get a shot of the actual lighthouse out here. But it's a little bit out of distance here, so we're gonna have to crop in. All right, I think we've got our settings dialed for out here in the snow pretty good. What are we at here? So we're at 1/1000th of a second with our shutter speed, f2.8, and our ISO's at 200, or I'm sorry, ISO's at 800. This is like a really cool place, especially this time of year. It's just so eerie, and I think it just makes for some beautiful shots. We've got some photos of these geese here that we can get. They're usually kind of friendly-ish. There's just a ton of birds down here. Geese, 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 geese. Woo! It is windy down here. Dude, these seagulls, there's these seagulls. They look like they're about to take flight, but I know all they're doing is just fighting the wind. Oh, and there they go. Well, it is what it is. We tried. All right. The hands are actually starting to warm up, believe it or not. We got some people over here though. Who are these people? Hopefully it's not the police. All right, thought it was the police. It was not. Group of Amish bird watchers. Not something I ever see every day in the city, but very cool, very nice people. I guess they just come down here to check out all the different birds in the area. And yeah, so very interesting. I want to get a shot of this pier because it is very cool out here. Usually there was a fence here. If you watch my earlier videos on, I believe it was the Sony ZV-1F. I did a video on vlogging and I was walking in this same exact spot. All right. I'm curious though, the move though. Ah, shoot. Let's see, we crossed over. It's all icy here. Really don't want to fall, whack my head. All right. There's some pretty cool other spots in this area that I've kind of wanted to shoot for a while. So I'm gonna head back kind of where I parked at and kind of go from there and go shoot those statues they have on the hill. Whew. I swear my cardio is not this bad. It's just really cold out here. So I can kind of show you now where we're at in relation to the old Coast Guard station. It's off to my right here in the background. And it's kind of just on its own little island here. And the only way to get to it is from that bridge we crossed with all of the birds over here. So I'm going to take a couple of shots of it from down over here. I think it'd be a nice establishing shot of the building itself. Nice thing is I could pretty much hold this at 50 and I think that's good as far as the old Coast Guard station is concerned. I'm gonna go take some photos of the statues over here and I gotta get going soon. It actually kind of works out perfect because this girl here looks freezing. Oh, Julie's gotta be calling me. She's gonna be mad. Hey, beauty. I'm heading back now. Yeah, I'm heading back now. All right, love you. All right, we gotta get one more quick shot of this bridge. I think that's all we can do as far as these two, unfortunately. Let me get one wide of the both of them. And then just one leading line of this bridge here. All right, I only had a half an hour, so I got somewhere to be with Julie. So we are headed back to the truck. All right, almost to the truck. Cardio's doing pretty good for the cold. Still have our mic, good to go. Sony A7C II. Let's see what kind of photos we got back at home. All right, so that is a wrap on the old Coast Guard station. I hope you guys really had an adventure as much as I felt that I did going down there taking photos. It was just such a good time. And I just really like that area. And I'm really enjoying making this style of video. So let me know in the comments if you're enjoying that as well, if you like this kind of video. If you would subscribe to the channel here, if you want to see more videos that are photography based or based on the Sony A7C II or the DJI Mic 2. The only thing I might change is I love the Sony A7C II, but it might be a little small. So I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about switching to the A7 IV when it comes out. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should keep the A7C II or get the A7 V when it comes out? I'm really unsure. I don't think they're going to be a huge difference, but I think I'll just enjoy the body style of the A7 V much more. And so that's kind of been something I've been struggling with, and I kind of pulled the trigger quickly on the A7C II because I wanted to film our trip to New York City, which should be dropping soon on the channel here, so keep an eye out for that one. But until then, I will see you guys on the next one.